What was the most amount of money that you made in a single year?
It will be this year.
How much?
We're on track to make 20 million, me and my business partners.
Are you serious?
Yes.
40 mil?
I know. I know.
That's incredible. Like, how did you scale from a $1 to a $10 million company?
The most important thing is hire people that are better than you in your company. Because I don't know it all. And I know I don't know it all. I'm not the smartest. But you know what happens to the smartest people? They're always the brokest. Why? Because smart people, they're overthinking, overanalyzing. They need it to be perfect. And when you want something to be perfect, there's someone half your talent, half your luck, half your intelligence already making moves and making millions because they're faster, they're bolder. They figure it out along the way. Most people want to have all the plan before they move. Just move. You will figure everything in the doing. It's not in the thinking.
That's why they always say that the A students always end up working for the C student.
Yeah, I was a C student.
Did you have anybody that doubted you?
Everyone. Middle Eastern women are more like, just have kids, sit at home. That was the culture that I was in. Obedience is what I was taught my whole life. Just be obedient. Listen to the man. Like, your little voice, be quiet. But the side of me that rebelled is what made me successful and free.
Можете да разгледате нашата селекция от продукти на тема финансова грамотност и предприемачество, като посетите линка в профила ни.